What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue working on the lifted GMC Sierra, and in the previous episode we did get the front end tore apart and back together. The truck will need a little bit of framework, but we'll get to that a little bit later. Today we did get a few more parts in, like the radiator, which that will complete our cooling system, and we also got the key for the lug nuts so we could take this wheel off and replace that knuckle. So let's run to the local junkyard and see what we come across. All right guys, so we made it here to the junkyard. I think this is the truck right here. Doesn't look like it took any damage to the wheel. The other side was smacked, and check this out. Some of these brackets are still good that we need for the headlight.
Ooh, yeah, there's one.
We also need the fuse box bracket there. So, and look at this, we got the tank.
Oh
right
man, we got one
all over the place.
Oh snap, it's all muddy, dude.
Let's go get the jack and get to work. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we got the knuckle off and a few other miscellaneous brackets in the front. Let's go ahead and pay for all this and get back to the house.
Is that it?
So check this out guys, we also found the original Tahoe wheel. This is gonna make the truck roll around once we get the knuckle on while we wait for hours. And it is a 20-inch original Tahoe wheel, so it shouldn't be leaning to the side as much. Look at what's going on there.
He's making all kinds of racket.
Alright guys, so we are back in the shop with a bunch of good used parts. We got this headlight bracket, the battery tray. We also managed to find a used fuse box because our housing was cracked. And then we also went ahead and got a hood latch as well as some bumper brackets. Those are not going to give us any issues with the bumper fitment. And like I mentioned before, we did get a new radiator with the fan assembly. So let's go ahead and get that sucker installed and get the cooling system complete. Woo! Nice little handle right here, GM.
Oh yeah. What's going on?
It's perfect on that side, boys.
Yeah, you might have to do some fiddling with it.
What's up guys, next day here, we are ready to jump back on the suspension. We got the extended 19 mil socket right over here for the lug nuts. Let's not waste any more time and get straight to Little man's putting in some work. Man.
Jack it up.
man.
sir. We got a little wheel dolly right here.
Dang.
For sale, lightly used, highway only.
Hopefully that tire's good.
I think the tire's still good, but I think I've seen a few edges where it must have hit the curb.
Oh,
Yeah,
right here. Check that out. Ooh, no good on the tire.
That kind of sucks, but anyways, we're gonna get that stuff on order. Now let's go ahead and move on to this knuckle and get this sucker off. Okay, so we kind of messed up. This knuckle right here is for the 6-inch lift. I believe we're gonna measure that out. But this one right here is the OEM one, and it kind of sucks we didn't catch that earlier, but we're gonna get the correct one on order. For now, we're gonna go ahead and weld this up just so we have steering on the truck and go from there. So we got the truck outside under its own power. Now let's go ahead and give this baby a good wash.
you still got a bunch of soap everywhere, dude.
Yeah, the hose wasn't long enough. You're just gonna have to dry wax it or something like that. But man, it is really clean, isn't it?
Oh yeah, sparkling.
It sounds pretty good. It sounds like it's almost got a supercharger in it. Check this out.
That's just a belt tweaking with you.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We made some pretty good progress. We got the cooling system together and we got the truck moving around on its own. I'm pretty happy we were able to find all those little brackets at the junkyard. We did save quite a bit of money and we're moving right along, but it does kind of suck about the knuckle, which it is part of the rough country lift kit. I didn't really know about that, but we got 2 of those on order. As soon as that comes in, we can get the truck on the frame and knock that out. And we don't have much left for the truck to get inspected, so stay tuned for that. With this said, drop your thoughts down below. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. Thanks for watching. I'm out.